Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Today I am back with another video how to make gizzada at home. This is an easy recipe and it is one of my favorite Jamaican snack. Let's get right into the video. This ain't over. I made sure to wash my coconut and I am about to grate it. If you do not have coconut, you can use coconut flakes. Also, you don't have to grate the coconut, you can go ahead and blend it. For this video, I chose to grate the coconut. As soon as I am finished grating the coconut, I am going to set it aside and start working on the dough. The ingredients I am using for the dough are all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, baking powder, butter. I added a little vanilla, but vanilla is optional, and coconut milk. The coconut milk is optional as well. You can use water instead. I am now going to combine all these ingredients and make the dough. At this point, I am going to add the dough to a clear plastic bag and put it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you don't have any clear plastic bag, you can use a saran plastic or a Ziploc bag. I am now working on the coconut paste. So I added a little coconut milk, which is optional. You can use water. I have also added a little vanilla, salt, sugar, grated coconut, and a nutmeg. So we are going to leave this to boil until it is ready to add to our dough. The coconut paste is almost finished. We're going to let it dry down some more, set it aside when it's finished, and leave it to cool. After removing the dough from the fridge, we're going to add a little cover to our board so the dough won't be too sticky. I am now going to divide the dough into smaller pieces so I can make my gizzada. For this part, if you have a rolling pin, that is perfect. If you don't, you can use your hands to make that perfect circle. And to get it even better, you can use something round in your kitchen to get your circle. It also depends on how small or how big you want your gizadas to be. If you don't want it this small, you can definitely use something bigger to get the size that you want. Once you're satisfied with this circle, you're going to pinch as you go along. Repeat the steps until you are finished. It's now time to add the paste to each dough. You can add as much paste as you would like. It depends on your preference. I am now going to add these to the oven and bake them at 250 degrees for 15 minutes or until they are done. The first set is finished. Let's get started on the second and final set. This is a must-try recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. This is the end of the video. Until next time, bye.